Another frequently asked question here at the law firm is, what do I do if I was injured either at a relative's house or at a friend's house while visiting? Well, first of all, anyone who resides in a house is precluded or is not able to bring a claim against the owner of the house for personal injuries that occur in the house. That means that if a family lives in a home and the father does something stupid and creates a dangerous condition on his property and his daughter walks in and gets hurt, she cannot bring a claim against her father on her father's policy because all of the people that live in the home are covered under the policy. So you can't bring a claim against yourself, basically. However, if you're a relative that does not reside in the household and you are visiting a relative and you get injured on their property, you can bring a claim. When people call me about this, I tell them you should be upfront with the family member whose home you're visiting and tell them the truth, that you've been seriously injured, that you've got medical expenses, and you feel that it was their fault, but you certainly would never want to take money out of their pocket. That's what they have insurance coverage for. Homeowners insurance will cover you. If you bring a claim, if somebody brings a claim against you, even if they are a relative, if it is something that you did that was negligent on the property. The only exception to the rule I told you before about people living in the house that would not be covered is it has to be a relative. If you're a tenant and you rent a room from somebody in their house and they do something stupid or negligent that causes you to be injured, you can bring a claim against them. There are circumstances in which family members don't want to bring a claim because they don't want to affect the insurance of their family member, and I can understand that. But you have to understand, if you're not willing to go forward, you'll be responsible for your own medical expenses and you will not get a recovery for your pain and suffering, and you will not get a recovery for any future damages that you have. I would suggest that if the family member knows they were responsible and you speak with them about it intelligently and you get them to understand that you're not trying to take money out of their pocket, that they'll allow you to, without them getting too upset, proceed forward with the claim and you'll get a recovery against their insurance coverage. Their premium may go up in the future, and then if that happens, they could switch insurance companies.